yakano etumi atwaso show ni tell a friend to tell a friend say we are seated on Johnny our television so Sompa TV Sompa FM with a frequency 93.1 equally with my Johnny with social media handle I mean on Facebook Sompa FM also with my Johnny now I feel what they will comment and swaba your comment your view sentiment what drink share what sembusa what train and what 10 year ningina obetumi ediaba and yentna every samedi kopem say do me no bebo me di the ember power team no obia wa ha evergreen the older the better senior man Jeffrey Asari atnase sansuna the intelligentsia sir prince ono so ha don't forget say Philip Inkumsa Philippo ono so ewa ha team no obia wa this morning Orlando at the local issues no at the baba producer Mr. Waga from MCR ayo Himba Grace and of course Ransford and the Calvin woman in assume ewe MCR honor this morning show we and so ebawa kwemu ene yentena na bibia so entumi enye kama yebe kwama no ne enche ema remfi se na champion Tuesday UEFA Champions League match kesebe koso Arsenal against FC Barcelona yebe guram ne yedi nkomo me pato we ye Arsenal ni PSG don't forget Arsenal ni PSG echina and a Barca International Inter Milan game no and also ebeba and some UEFA Champions League no win no yabuano this morning yede babesum yetie for other related foreign stories ewo ho yebe fie bebedi efie nkomo sadia enyomeko ewo Ghana Premier League no and few other local issues don't forget say ene ye won nkomo yebetwetwe ofie yebedi nkomo yebenya hoho na yedi nkomo ewo dwumedie so enti mripem mebo me guest ensu edin edi akiro Paul say na bibia nya kama a person papa ewe dwama so yas toothpaste yenum fritete obetwi wo sen ma wanum nka no aye krabehwe obia ni beje ho betuma ka esumsem obetumi asere wo bedwemu a ya person papa wo betwi wo sen kala no beye kama enu achi no so no wanum enso beda ho na bibia so etuma koso yas toothpaste en ye dom ho dance ye dia kire wo wo shop bibia mu na op toothpaste kai edin no yas toothpaste Kulun Ghana Limited for the Indromiansan at the Abed Dramaso Hunchun capsules and no aye for prostate disorders a bunch of prostate enlargement prostate cancer a drone ye Hunchun capsules Samson a Mr. Kiwonu we Dramaso for sexual wickedness Bema untumi mbedjuma e won paso ubedjuma so e bantumi mfirumuma onkwam wanu go form mesro e drone aye Mr. Kiw Samson Araba Bagzen Pill Araba bazeng pill no and also we drama so for menstrual problems and man mu fitiri ko ene ehun hawo ni nyina no eduro no Araba bazeng pill be bia wo bia no ubowrem pharmacy shop bia announce herbal shop bia kra na obenya bi esan say China bibiduro ankasa announce China ndu brand ne haba ne yakabom and ya dia ye duro wasoi Kulun Ghana Limited na kofa ediaba uwra ba bia to say A&A Pharmacy, Freddie Men's Pharmacy, Apidang Pharmacy, Panacea Pharmacy, Babia, Ubenya, Sa Ndru Webi, Sweet Tomato, Cloud Ghana Limited, and also Cloud Internet, and yet the fastest, reliable, and affordable internet connectivity and so dia bedroom so if you were remote area a banum classic nkrasima na se nkronki to no a be bia wo bia no you can rely on us. Ebanu cloud internet bebia wo bia obetumi ede ayadwuma entinko entwetwe ne mu enti bibia wo ya wo hia internet no wo hia cloud internet for na betumi ene wo madi nsawoso ye beye installation of your Wi-Fi the amount bibia CCTV cameras ni aho nhise nyina no ebanu digital security locks ni nyina cloud internet for your fa fresh na nchiremu bia ka echire ye mfama 0244 601 933 0244 601 933 and on your line I'll be free also ye try kwan our top high opposite Love FM Kumasia ho na obe hu yen Diamond Scientific Research and Alternative Medicine Hospital and the two study fro and na anopay na yeso de aka chewnie and say a drone was so be adwama so a drone din at the Donek herbal mixture for male vitality. We are bema and what then will form a one passo, Miss Row, Sesadia. We are bema out to me and Bedruma a one passoa. One shark on Manu Beji and soon be Miss Row, a drone, a donek, herbal mixture for male vitality. Ube power, a one passo, a power the only what in our account about premature ejaculation. Erectile dysfunction, a boosted immune system, a band treatment of waist pain, which is the yaoya, a deto from crown to me cotton far, a diamond scientific research on alternative medicine hospital, we dry a tuni din donek herbal mixture, and no medium more dance here, a diamo baby a herbal shop, and as a pharmacy over the counter, baby rebiano. Obenya yendroni bi enswe tomato o pedo do na to a eno ansa obefrem penifo 0246 727 677 0246 727 677 wo frey ahoma we so a yebeje so sciatica na brofo we kroma na yente until set 21st clinic ebepiem Ghana sciatica afi obia sorry o sciatica ono so ka bi eye ye expect ewa sciatica ye ka sciatica na chese efru sisi ebesi eye wo nantini honom no ntini na enam utu ase no eho ensam ne ye kan eba ne se ebi wo ha cholesterol enso a block nti moja no entumi ni afusa ne ye etoda na chese mu hyehyɛw ukutu enye ye na wo widie no mu hyehyɛw dia friends a burning sensation ene sa haw ni nyina fo ani kyerem ewo 21st clinic na yentu sa haw ni nyina se enso emfamaw efri dia friends menopausal issues na chese bretwa ehu eti haw ni nyina no 21st clinic ye ne yaba ye som Ghana be bia wo bia no ye to nsa frɛ se haw bia da wo so enye no nko ayade bia Fueni chim ewe yasre yene moa. Ye kura 15 branches across the country. Kasipano ubehuye ukumase ehia Overseas Junction. Ye ben Alfred Radio anasa the building na Sompa FM womuno emwana ubehuye me pacha obua senso ye eye council quarters Court Junction Accra Domi market hono behuye ye osunya nkransa ni techiman ebana frefra no watie line sisi e 0249 311 0249 311 311 offer line we so ayebeje oso se sika beche ewo Ghana until se bia wonye wadwen se obepebi na se why ready so obepesika the simplest and the smartest way to make money a bet way bet influencer bet influencer me de two anim se bet way for no ama den aye simple wo ma aden aye full se wutwa bet na wo sankranya 4% ewo so ema remfi se yenko a any betting company yema anya ahotoso se wo select wo matches na ba no se matches no kwa ni nyina ma wonya cash kakra wachire bia wo select 10 matches wo select 20 matches upesike boom ba bia bakon ase anase mienu bia sei bet we se wo de agya kwa ya ngya wo kwa enti ebepa bibi kakra e de amount benye sika ewachire eye simple betway for the love of the game. Don't forget, say you always bet responsibly. Get way, bet way. Better still, bet way, get way more. Ye kwame no niaba, ye ba dia kapbibri e ho nti ebe da ye ho be so mo MC a ho na ya da ye ho ye ba ya na kyese amanone gya no eso lelebo jiwonyongo na minti ne ho nkomo ene day na bibia so ntimi nkoso wonim say report I mean second this morning naturally so Hans the Taflik and then penifone na transi agreement na tuma koso dia ka no aye official confirmation be free Basa Boboko no enso aso ya Baso penina jatum outstanding the contract the club on so aye 2027 and we latest I mean second all the way from FC Barcelona and to take it from me some deal no is agreed and your opinion so the free na say to no with him say Hans the Taflik already or their two powerhouse and him so no he's not a manager or feeling relaxed upon the duration of the contract or on ojidi so ye safer a ban performance one so bet media club no say ban so wuchi trophies ni ade always no adwuma be secured but ye more 5 years not still no ya their performance ni nkoyi irrespective of the contract no in penifo bet me cha kwa mwako enti abre bia no 1 year no outstanding just one not just say bibia so etumi koso dia meeting and it's a press conference and so ayebobo kwantity pausa and a press conference no when him say na when UEFA Champions League game against Nerazzurri Banyamota aya Inter Milan boboko no their meeting say Hans the Taflik and opinion anything and so where your small boy your friend Lamine Jamal and so the PM press conference na say no more quoting command bibia so to my kama the part of Papa Grace in Ranford momami aya Barca under 19 no dia nkrano yan anoten enra me baba ye story wo fiate ma yetie for say Barca for ni hwe ni mu say mano e be treble enwechi no under 19 be treble wo mu hwe ni mu say mema no enso be treble this season na the tennis enra ano owura de tande Giuliano Belletti mo be kan Belletti onu be hwa kan adema Barca boboko no way back 2004 me patcho 2004 2014 aya 2017 no obo adema Barca boboko no oba be adwuma 2004 to 2007 oba adwuma de my club no just last year no be for under 19 adema Barca team no me patcho the attention this season with the under 19 team Omaji League was Spain Omaji Copa del Rey Juvenile Omaji ho Omasanso aji UEFA Champions League enra against Trabzonspor and non ayedefu to twana no enti Giuliano Belletti epo adwuma enso de ma Barca enkura no en ayensama ni so to twana dai and eguso ide nsama hoto adem yetiefo na openene dato power senim sani dream anasa ne Tyson and some obetuma rise gradually now one day we be coaching the mainstream Barcelona Patrick Ejumo opinion and so adi Hans the Taflik you know also dreamo so be get it no so betuma be yetuma no adama Barca boboko na no ayan some efro so totwa ena no pay yegu so ide nsama hoton adem yetiefo egodwumeten so obapa grace mo me samu mama ogura de tend one Laporta picture no na bibia so ntimi koso wodi me say no be ye story wo fia de ma yetiefo say one Laporta obeko aya Switzerland na wakwa kwhwehwe game ebekoso no final against Trabzonspor no onu betuma kwhwehwe game ni bi but the tennis opening ntuma nko o cancel the flight e sansa anoma no so ye ansan wa flyer kono wonim say was Spain dia koso was Spain no me show anoden edekwa de se Ghana dia koso Ghana no e sansa 12 hours ni dia meeting sam so as a light in my woman light the whole of Spain chrome or memo I just be 12 hours I just report and I mean say cano I just name by a lot of activities so I was Spain I just some council here a lot of activities and so penifo hold on kakra and so and I am so any sort of and the open on the one Laporta and no acquaintance to mama so at a point in time now was a boss at Juma Muye I will camp new honor a son Fidian wanti na some light in wanti or some plant in yate etum adiyatuma ayaro some ekoso and so Spain but said their meeting here and some power has been restored I was Spain abontenso and I am so so to day yaguso I don't some hotono ademi for by say pasia power not just a fool and no some part of Spain and almost a light now report asat and some Spain mano wama contact Morocco and nearby countries including France so betum ayo mumwa in terms of air power no na bibia so tuma ye kama eno ayan somebody be afi won so ba eno tell you gu so I didn't some hoto no at the eme for me pacho Ransford mama me boss a train you know na train na mu ye na nu a eno nso train na koso Barcelona fo ani abre esan say yetan a e wo so mutumi etia Inter Milan boboko no and some qualification etuma koso mama yen hwe wo mu train ni mudi apa e wo front page you know and eta aye Sompa TV ne so Ancelotti will finish the league. But if he doesn't continue, Solari will lead the team in the club walker front page of the newspaper normal reporter Sam Sabani said no Don Carlo betwaso Don Carlo betwaso since season ebena wie ba eba say one twaso ma season no baby edru ya eba no so kwa owura ne din enso edi Solari Santiago Solari on na betwaso ye adwuma no edama Madrid bobokun until say season bebe na wie no ma pe permanent manager amana be adwuma enso diama club no ayan somebody be so free Madrid bobo kona aso ye totwa and anope enso ho the patron has data flick no expect rotation Metesa against Inter Milan bia obeyan sesan kakra our squad nimo and also the starting 11 no san the workload and that players so our Copa del Rey final against Real Madrid a call extra time 120 minutes no ama players na break kakra and in order not to take risk no obey rotation obeso suppliers ni bi na ebiri muso apem na bibia so tuma kama but just some few changes and Metesa ogura no and so betuma ye a tactical reason and opening so betum ateki that decision and no yasuma no so ba and na an open egusu den sam no at the emye for agotumete we so afi yankopon yadom na the game ebeko so no me wuro me na mte nkomo bebre wonim so Arsenal and the PH no and none pay me the to wanim so Slovenia opinion den at the Slavko Vinčić ono and omo de adwuma na sanensa so major FIFA as center referee na bibia so ntimi koso take it from me this morning report I mean second year all things being equal so be BNC send starting 11 and so betuma koso owura ne tani David Raya e best start to post no mu de Arsenal when him some player and tani Julian Timber on also best start me patro Paul and Nia Branta your friend says Jacob Ejem Kivo on best start Luis Kelly started to meteno Martin Odegaard Declan Rice Mikel Merino owura your friend Buka Yosaka Leandro Trossard Gabriel Martinelli woman players are meto munka all the way from Arsenal say and then they numre on best started time the Ghana's Bobo Kono not me some play with himself still these players are out. Gabriel Magalhaes from Brazil so hamstring problem on your available and watching Gabriel Jesus on also a new problem on your available Kai Havertz or hamstring problem on your available Thomas Partey will share first leg at me pato weno quarter final against Real Madrid. Partey ball or boy as I say on your available now to say a big lose and Arsenal so far Partey enya available because of suspension and of course Takehiro Tomiyasu and also enya available and dear Frasa Bobokono and so say Totano Ricardo Calafiori doubtful for the game Jorginho doubtful for the game a Sansano with chest problem with himself Ben White and so and Netamete and also doubtful and the also a problem kakra a Sansa players are omunya available no Dawson and dear Totano the patron the other side of the game no aye PH Boboko no Gianluigi Donnarumma mete sa Asiswa coach FNC Luis Enrique aye Martinez Garcia e basta to post no the patro Arsenal Fakimi also basta to against no Marcos Correa do FNC Marquinhos from Brazil on the basta game no William Joel Pacho on start against no Nuno Mendes Joao Neves Victor Ayamxado Ferreira Vitinha no Fabian Ruiz state Desire Usman Dembele, Victor Kvaratskhelia, on a superstar against what reporter means second year, and the opinion of Luis Enrique, and then Okra full squad. There was no single player. Our PG, Webra, no player. And I are doubtful, and the players obey fit, and no, I dear free PG Bobo Kono, or most I say a total and the anopay, ya don't some hoton at the mere tier for, and Tinyanko Poyatman, and Nete, and Najo. Champions League 7 p.m. na game no etumi asase me pacho South na betumi akọ final a eye dan ya wo se omutum eyi club wey and so to me do film na bibia so to me koso na winim say coach in their two powers enim owura ne Teddy Luis and Rick Martinez Garcia or their two powers enim so so for no ayo ma dwen say wo mo chi wo mo e wo leave face e bo mu tu enti enai wo mo san so be share the same opponent and the results no e be favor ma or catch on said there's no favorite for this very game when a balance game obi abetuma winning and so to ma konanim and no ayo coach adema bobo kwa the third PH no ne somebody to try not egu so yate ehon sama hoto no at emietefo so we so the part run for name about grace monto so na mama me tibu koto picture no mintin hu nkoma kakra wonim so the ten so ogura no or sign 2 years contract we renew at the mama dream no matter for so man no mo se omumra emoye ten enti amomu enti samre no matwam a chese a favor tibu kotwa wonim some Madrid e wo mra bi hwe so you player wo si academy White Angels na e bon sha wudi 30 years when your contract extension ebro so no ye one ye more than 1 year contract but tibu kotwa no enei wo mama 2 years no e ye de every Madrid boboko na so ye so todwa enete na yegu so ye de won sama hoto no ati em ye tiefo ebo dramatic super we so me pato me sanson London kakra me konkotin komo me pato mami Gabriel Martinelli picture mami video no na yentie ne nsam ye odia tutwa oboni coach I for Mikel Arteta baso or say Arteta a fantastic manager coach aye adwuma or say he's more than a coach yentie Gabriel Martinelli in summer or the tutwa no na yentwa so
the team and next to me he's a brother to me I love him I think he's one of the best players in the world right now. We are lucky to have him here. We've been through so many things here at the club, and I think we deserve to be living this moment right now, and we deserve to win something great for this football club. It's amazing to have him in the team and next to me. He's a brother to me. I love him. I think.
Okay, and no, Gabriel Martinelli, Brazilian, no, Shakai, Adima Alsan, and some of the two channels say, coach, he's more than a coach or your brother, or just an Indian crown, sir. How related to all the players, Ayate and the council say, who Anfield, almost from your update, Kakra, now Anfield, no, so say Liverpool champions war at Anfield. One more update, now, Mama, you say, I was some party, so say the amateur born is a league title and a league trophy no eta almost 20 baby amaduro no ani aye nika and answer and some so to entertain no the part on Friday there was a baba at our hotel where you was success in and in some way there to or say Friday ayade agoma mu yitrani bi eba mu hotel na mo pa no ono ka kire Accra your friend Sam Lami Jamal hwe Lami Jamal haircut no o ka chansa Accra etewe de ase obi hu obeka so ye stubborn ase etewe no anka wuyi gu ya anka beboa asesa no na bibia so ntumi nya kama etoda wo ye simpler eno so ntumi boa eno aya according to owura ne tin enso ade was success in summer or the atutwa no or say I tried to convince Lami Jamal to shave off that hair but he couldn't listen and no goalkeeper no and some of their two powers and no omra yegusu ade nsam do no at the emietiefo no memfanto obi anim so PG boboko no and no am training na ye interesting and ni braba mam PG training no and to president ni nie won sa na so Khalafi ono enagina tana anymore and to players no obia fi dressing room bar before training no agent waiting come marking was no and on anything come kama what test pitch na so and the brain yapa agent time was na omutumi shout na bibia so to me so and the motivational factor and also for motivational reason no na our president and so bar even at training hall no obe encourage boys na bibia so no etumi ya kama and dia wo hwe was Sompa television so and na anope we show no so the patron mami bobo kwa ne tin iri Arsenal player friends Bukayo Saka mami aye ne video no Bukayo Saka say PG for wo munim say wo ma improve a lot and no aye Bukayo Saka yentie ne nsem ne bi.
Is that right? Arsenal at home in the first leg against PSG. It gives you a tough second leg away from home. How will you make that work for you? How do you make the advantage at home work in the first leg?
Just do something similar to what we've done in this tie. That would be nice for us, but we know PSG are our top team. They've improved a lot since we last played them. So it will be a very good match, and I'm looking forward to it, to be fair.
Nti eno Arsenal player efense Bukayo Saka na ote se o cheche nsoma huto mu se game ne de o ma bo first one ba no kwa egwom ne ene se PSG improve eno somo no so betima kan eno an so be join o Sompa FM e wo Facebook no so tin komo me hu se berima owuso an so wa join ye sanso kwesi Alonso nso ho o se SB David Daniel Coleman all the way from Kenya say mu nyina mu wo so no so amohwe no an so pa the social page no now jaw comment to oni ntumi ndi nkomo let's get interacted na bibia so ntumi nkoso me patro de tenie me nko ogura ne dan Pep Guardiola some infenjo obia se Rico Lewis or move really well in the small spaces. He is one of the best I have ever seen, one of the best. His reception, his control, his rhythm is really good. And the Akrana Woshano, I was Sompa TV no coach I first Pep Guardiola when him so ono one manage top players and to so kasa way or you one of the very best our managing na utumu Sampa or ka asam kase and ayo penensu de afina so yeba and net enso no afi mumu mo grande te ade Mikel Arteta sing nei Arsenal supporters no meaning admo no safo atomo me song senior kankan buatu Arsenal supporters ni na no Samuel Otuo Achampon bibia nso nei obia enlezi ne boot obia nso ne boot no obia nso ne t-shirt Arsenal supporters and ye number 12 man I was say and the concert ye tenny ye be relax kra and there I was say ye piano yenye said ye be ya victory no beba ye bobo game ni bi ye ntemi Mikel Arteta
invested so much emotional energy and the crowd as well into that Real Madrid game and the atmosphere here. Is it a case of just doing that again? I mean, is it that simple?
Tomorrow more, I told them, and I'm not exaggerating when I said, guys, bring your boots, bring your shorts, bring your t-shirts, and let's play every ball together. You know, you want to do something special, that place has to be something special, something that we haven't seen, and I really hope that everybody that comes tomorrow to the Emirates and everybody is watching and following us, it brings that energy with them.
We saw how the team invested so much emotion.
Real Madrid last season when him Madrid edged 5 trophies. So we show Sompa TV this wa UEFA Super Cup against Atalanta Bergamo munama bom 2-0 UEFA Champions League na Madrid aje FIFA Club at the World Cup na Madrid aje esomuna so La Liga Supercopa de España 5 trophies they will show Sompa TV no so no eno anko na miken the attention this season Sir Prince man kura ebi be tin dia mamo esanso already no Champions League mafrim Copa del Rey Madrid dia Barca dia samani ase La Liga no so mfanto obi anim say Barca for no omo magaba omo mamukwan ente be tin dia Madrid a team last season omo 5 trophies no this season emu ya tin ete Madrid boboko no mfanto obi anim emre ho ye ninka so en ayen samani so totwa ene tin no wonim so all boboko no with reporter min second and it's including Real Madrid omo monitor boy ya friend Martin Zubimendi and a reporter min second no when him say ya can story no and I say ya more long ago but update penye and it's so interesting no adaso ho including Real Madrid boboko no and no yen some so toja and now no pay Mami William Saliba from the Madrid camp. William Saliba is the chosen one to lead Real Madrid defense from next season. And the Madrid boboko next season, we pe a dependable defender. Now, if we next season, we build the back, around this boy from Arsenal. I fancy William Saliba and no the free London and so this morning and no one no opinion and so at the hands that flick my banner so about your story be and so her to me the me tear for by young twas young queen him 10 let me be answering to me so the part oima mame way na me dim komo Arsene Wenger akasa for Champions League no Arsene Wenger Nensama Waka at the AFA Champions League on Ojidi Sir Arsenal have the potential to win the Champions League. Fantastic. In your opinion?
Potential to do it. But of course, once you go to the semi-final, Paris Saint-Germain is a very good team as well. So everybody is excited about it, and let's see and hope.
I think once you get to this stage, no matter who you're facing, it's going to be a challenge, isn't it?
Of course. The teams who go through to the semi-final, they have some qualities, and then it's down to the form of the day, to the main players who can show their efficiency on the day, as well, a little bit as well, but you have no sending off or stupid reaction at some stage. So overall, I believe Arsenal is very solid defensively. And over 2 legs, that will play as a big improvement.
Have the potential to win the Champions League this season. Until the super tactician, and I in some way, and so to be the most assists in the season. Barcelona history, Fatu TV, so not minti home come most assists in the season. Bassa because my first one answer, my bawe so most assists in the season in the history of Team FC Barcelona. When we still let on Messi that top 2019-2020. 27 assists and a Messi Neymar Diano 2016-2017 Nano 26 assists next at the same Neymar 2015-16 or provided 25 assists by Cesar Lamine Yamal Ababatoso 4 with 24 assists this season. Many believe season and Yamba Nevia one shot Emperor Nevia no Nebian will sign Neymar home or better finish this season Ababe all time most assists in a single season at Mapasa Bobo Kono. But my next picture, run for my next picture no, the Audi can do some Indian song come on. Players in Europe, top 5 league. Player war system of this season. A boy, I fancy Lamine Yamal. A free Bundesliga, and Mukosi French Ligue 1. A Italia Serie A, arguably the best league in the world. A Premier League, major European leagues. Nenfanto obianim say Lamine Yamal on na aya assist more in 48 games aya there 24 assists and owura ne so aye mami Jamaica Raga na mindi Jamaica Raga nkomo asama wakofa dia ba no wa chese no or time clubs anya sam ketwa according to owura ne tell Jamaica Raga or say on pese team bia wo England na obedi ye yentie no
PSG. I don't like to see other English teams win big Europe. I can't say I'd like to see Arsenal, so I should be lying. I won't lie. But if PSG, I don't like to see other English teams win big European competitions.
I wouldn't mind Arsenal winning.
Oh, I'd like an English team.
No, you want Arsenal to win it? I'd want them to win it.
No. You'd rather win
If they won it, I wouldn't begrudge them either.
No.
That's all I'm saying. Don't begrudge.
No.
I don't mind Jamie.
I'm happy for you, but I'm up. Listen.
Okay, enti no ayo owura ne din ade Jamie Carragher and sama or dia tutana no say on pese club bia we England obetimi akwakwadi European competition as a major European trophy apart from Liverpool and non ayane somebody to their stories in Dawson mommy boxing story we na men sorry Chris Eubank Jr. Saturday no about against Owura your friend Sir Conor Benz na Conor Ben bout na no thing after bout no yaje Chris Eubank Jr. at to hospital na ne trainer I friend Sir Jonathan and about bonte beka say enye issue bia Jonathan Banks and o say enye issue bia we no ade obetuma kanie and say a precautionary measure enti no mum pese I say a tree na kwakofa ha obi aba enti na ye precautionary measure enye se pra anase bibi na ekoso after so odin kunim unanimous decision 116 112 116 112 over the weekend no eno ayade free one so etodwa ene day no e mo remfi se upe kokodro na aboa na aho apomuden so tumaba eye 3A cold capsules 3A cold capsules no ye cocoa master kope dro we bi na cocoa no se afifiri e wo nipadua nani anase cocoa no eso e wo moja mesawa de kudonto edro no eye 3A cold capsules kono kope bi nanom na embo na nsikoko ni na se koko de ewo so no wanhwa ebetumi kura de anifra aba mesɛ kope se edro no bi popo na promuden so ntumi nya kam waist pains and the how na se constipation and the wuyemotim uwrem wo colonel keba dani herba misty herba apidan keba any herba so bibia begrum anasa pharmacy bia no ubenya 3A cold capsules no 054 6107 107 wo friend line we so a ya beje wo so na bibia so etuma ye kama me sewada kope eye gingerman dental clinic kope mo cha kwan gingerman dental clinic kope ye cha kwan sesi e ban se examination and consultation service ye be render diamo kama enu echi tooth replacement was sine to upese yensin foforo enfama anasa sin no akeka emu ya oya yenyes eye teeth extraction yentu sin enfama yenye bracelet anasa braces enfama scaling and polishing we send on the color when you shada nye ho opese yem polish yenya no white kama enfama yehuhuru wenum bibia ye ewo yaswe Gentleman Dental Clinic wom ohun sam na medi tutwa na anope on Sompa 93.1 and watching teeth jewelry yensu seno gold and also silver crown ye beye ni nyina e de amount ye kira kwan Kumasi Abrepo Junction behind the Total Filling Station Techimanso magazine kwana wo de ko market wo no ho na obenwi Accra Nungwa Atomic Down ho so Kofodia ye adjacent to Air Central Police Station sanso Takra the pipe no traffic ho na behu yen na bibia so etuma koso e bana frefra na wa frɛ yen on 055 913 9582 055 913 9582 ufre sesi na yeso etumi enwedin sawoso me sawo da se time herbal mixture ayedre etu malaria fever na se me saw body pains general body pains and also loss of appetite and wenum ato untumi nidi ye aduane kra na untumi ntibi ndi malaria no how Misaw kope time herbal mixture ni bi na bobo na bibia so entumi nya kama sanso time HH herbal mixture no ene ne capsules eno so ebi wodwama so na eno de tienie ene say treated rashes in the private part immune system no so be boost ma for your general well-being wapomu deno said ya beya wapomu den enso betumi akosoro entini yedi time HH herbal mixture ho adanse enso ede akyerewo babia wo bia ko pedro no bi ebuso wo Ghana herbal shop ne pharmacy na 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 ufra ahoma we so abeje so anything banking for any trem dropping rural bank anything banking for any trem dropping rural bank ne mboa na diaye yenie se obapa loan scheme no enso ye dia bedwama so na extremely low interest loan is granted oba beji loan ewe yahwe ya interest rate no ewo form pa interest no ewo form kitwa bi na obetua enti bra ode bra eni emedi nsawoso no initial deposit before loan is granted enti oba yahwe no pelona yenju sika bi ansana ebi wa ye show satisa wo ye deposit ansana wo kra no ya grantu loan ehwo no bibia ni ho no commitment fee no guarantor conditions and terms apply here and one say obefre on 027 140 9340 0271 409 340 yechira kwan wedwo so bonre draben etimetim onwe Roman Hill magazine sepetimpom fumeswa ani adeseman eho nyina wodu a obehu yen enti payesesi na eni endin sawoso na bibia so entumi nya kama abedwafo na transe ba Joy Came Roofing Company Limited Joy Came Roofing Company Limited obebo wo dan so ade ba ko ha adwenie ene se waboka asifie na eso bono wambo so yie na ɛba no sɛ nsuo tɔ mframa fa kakra na ɛpagya nkyɛnse no akɔto baabi ɛba no saa na kampene no ɛna wabɔ nti medi Jokem roofing sheet ho adanseɛ de akyerɛ wo roofing company kwayaso esesi a opɛ IBR anasa Self-Lock ni bi na opɛ MSL standard roofing sheet anasa Euro tiles bibia ɛfa ɛdansa obɛbɔ so no wekyira kwan ɛyɛ Jokem roofing sheet ɛhɔ ɛna safata sa oba yɛ branches ne dɔɔso ɛwɔ Ghana Accra yɛ hɔ Kaswa Kumasi Techiman Sunyan Tamale Bolgawa Kumasi no Sokoban Ampame yɛne police station no ɛna ɛtɛn mu hwɛ frɛ yɛn on 0540 125 816 0540 125 816 ofrɛ ahoma we so a yɛbɛgye wo so na bibia so atuma yɛ kama sɛ Prince Atenase sanso ɛna Filippo Pipo Inzaghi ɔno so Atenase don't forget sɛ Evergreen ɛnso wɔ ha Sir Jeff Prince bibia fine.
Boys, Children Punyankopa Daroma, Bibia de Danakram, one of the biggest game of the season, and yes.
Arsenal PSG,
Arsenal Paris Saint-Germain, and I heard these two teams. I'm going to send common names when we are talking about UEFA Champions League. Because Arsenal Dia Wajin, no Champions League, no, I won't mean GB. Paris Saint-Germain, so where the money they've been pumping in. Almost almost mean GB. No mummy, no, Obia Nimse, Dayana. There's something at stake for them. And Omunsunim said this is their year. Especially so her Air Paris Saint-Germain with the spending so Muye Bibina, Neymar, Lavezzi, Cavani, Ibrahimovic, Thiago Motta, the likes of Thiago Silva, a lot of huge name players. Emomo Fire Kofa, Keila Navasa, not the Madrid, the UEFA Champions League at Wasomi and Besto Namfa. And this time around, Omuyo Maji said they will go a bit low. Akofa players they will succumb to any coach or baby any instructions. No, I think it is working well for them and they feel it is their year. The same thing applies to Arsenal. Arsenal soon him say, baby, with Real Madrid on their way, or eliminate in a simple way, no. And in recent times, we Madrid and Man City free more, the Champions League.
Okay.
And Arsenal feels this is definitely their year. And
yes, straight away.
A
team that eliminated Liverpool.
Yeah.
In PSG.
Yeah.
A team that eliminated Real Madrid. In Arsenal.
Yeah.
Who is winning?
Yeah.
All things being equal. By Johnny Facebook and so na fa comment bra. And now Johan winning. Sir Prince Yenko.
Yeah, let me do it this way. Once I saw the two teams now on their way coming, no. Madrid and the defending champions of the UEFA Champions League, and coming into this season, they were the team to beat. And Arsenal, we quite almost fast, so Mboboko from Madrid Fruma, it was the talking point of town. And Yemfa Arsenal game, no, Niemfa Remu Hawa, almost get the game done with Madrid, and then Hawa PSG so get your game done, and the probability of Hawa Ombesia going to this game. For video, no to Smamini and Shas Madrid and Arsenal, the boy. Arsenal won that game by 3 goals in the first leg, just like we saw. And the trump card was Abranti Efreno, Declan Rice. And Yensha DB. Tactically, the approach of Papa and friend Mikel Arteta to go into the game, no, I work perfectly for Arsenal. Into where when they were in possession, they 3-2-3-2, and no we are in possession. This is Arsenal. A quite more fast so eliminated Real Madrid. And in that game also, Madrid went 4-2-2-2, and I said in the middle 4-4-2. But over the way no musi defend there, and then they leave spaces for Boboko from Arsenal because clearly you could see say Mbappe and Vinicius. Omona na marke Boboko ya from and I say the midfielders are what Arsenal in future and I say Arsenal the centre back pair no omona na marke omo and with Paris Saint-Germain yes anetie Arsenal key tactics they hear adwuma ma omo no to Bobo ha say mame Abrante friend Thomas Partey and then Louis Kelly ono free number 3 no aba be shame fin for no aba be bo Abrante your friend Thomas Partey into so where they were very smooth in transition. Though say na Kylian Mbappe ni Vinicius Junior age na Saliba moso trying to block the spaces on me find it head amod be play game through the middle but anya adwuma am farm because how na Boboko form Arsenal set up with Louis Kelly helping out Abrante friend Thomas Partey and then Martin Odegaard ebe konanim but sabe drop it back aba be ball and yensha adebu ha say is it going to be possible with how Arsenal folk find their way around Real Madrid, no? Is it going to be possible for them because literally it is their biggest game of this season. And Arsenal boy, is it going to be possible for them to go that same route? I'll bet me they win Etia Paris Saint-Germain and I feel say any possible. Now my video on Arsenal mention the entire any possible. The key factors of Arsenal winning the game against Real Madrid and even this season, no, is a branch friend Thomas Partey. He has been the engine always on the making sure say in the midfield of Arsenal or make people things taken. And then or out, he's missing out in this game.
Or suspended.
On the other hand, this is going to be the midfielder, Bobo from Paris Saint-Germain, Deba. And I can outrightly tell you, say, the midfield three of Paris Saint-Germain in recent games are Bono. They are outrightly the best midfielder in the entirety of football. This midfield three. Vitinha, Joao Neves, and then Abranti friend Fabien Ruiz. Literally, the best midfielders are Benya. And let's not forget, there's a young chap on the bench in Abranti friend Warren Zaire Emery. If these players know, so move back, Kokra and Yanidia, obey me as substitutions, I'm a number. And Thomas Partey's absence will be felt greatly because these three players know, Omu Bien in Bibiaye. Vitinha knows how to hold the ball. He knows how to pass. He knows how to transit. Abrante friend Joao Neves knows how to hold the ball. He knows how to pass and he knows how to transit. The same thing applies to Fabien Ruiz, and especially Fabien Ruiz quite there. Euro Air Tournament no quite a glimpse of what he is capable of doing. And to these three players, no, they are available for Paris Saint-Germain. But on the other side, why am I be in the midfield? I'll make you put things taken. Abrante friend Thomas Partey is out, and now there is a doubt on who is going to be in place of Abrante friend Thomas Partey. Mikel Arteta is contemplating, should I bring Mikel Merino and free any more number 9 position now bono and for the machine fee final Leandro Trossard on Cobo 9 and answer I should bang my hopes on Abrante and Jorginho and now whoever obey me about Besha Honomana, and now that is the contemplation here. And in the absence of Thomas Partey, I believe there is not going to be any player obey me control the rhythm of the game for Arsenal just like they would have wanted in such a big game. My video non twas just like they would have wanted in such a big game, and this is going to play a key role, a bit effective Bobokwa. Therefore, Arsenal so very well, until they will not allowed to use the wide spaces because Arsenal elbow now if they are allowed to use the wide spaces, I want Saka and Luis Kelly Mo, the likes of Martinelli Moye Juma, until against Arsenal Madrid. Show the way Madrid see pressure. Madrid impress almost so high up the field, but offer this attacker. This attack of Paris Saint-Germain, they really press. They know how to, press from the first minute to the 90th minute. Especially Abrantia, your friend Ousmane Dembele. My video non twaso. The last time maybe Chewa debut, I say the players are in the UEFA Champions League. Cover a lot of ground sports in the kit webby. Cover a lot of grounds, and I may highlight on Madrid attackers nimiensa. So I'm cover grounds no. Looking at this one, so already Abrantia friend Ousmane Dembele da. It tells you how Paris Saint-Germain team no up front almost making a lot of presses. And Ousmane Dembele, player now could be so lazy, his name is up there in the top S6, telling you say, press a lot, and we know what Kivicha can do, we know what Desiree do, and then Bradley Bakola, the Obesha Sibian, we know how Omusi press it. My video non twas in the area, and this is going to be the attack of Paris Saint-Germain team or Mondeba. It tells you say Arsenal will not get that kind of freedom. So without air put in place, Abrante for Nuno Mendes and Ashraf Hakimi on the fullbacks, and they are literally the best fullbacks in the world right now. Literally, they can run from the first minute to the 90th minute. And let's not forget what Abrante friend of Nuno Mendes and Mohamed Salah. The isolation from Arsenal, the only opinion and say Bukayo Saka enya a one-on-one with any air player, and if he gets it, just like Onya against Madrid, or the David Alaba yejuma say fella Mendy say Frangasio obiano obinya biano ne yejuma. You get the point I'm making here. But this is going to be different because we've seen Abrante F Nuno Mendes go up against Mohamed Salah at that time. Now obiano say Salah on the way to win the Ballon d'Or. Let's not forget it was this game and I was shutting down Mohamed Salah and his numbers in the first and second leg. Video na match that they his numbers in the first and second legs was exceptional against Mohamed Salah. Omeki 8 tackles against Salah. Onya 18 now correct. In the game against Liverpool, 8 tackles and Nuno Mendes here and Onya 18 now correct. 11 draws and 11 ninjas Onya correct. Telling you say he was so solid, and if he was able to do it against Mohamed Salah, I don't want to say Bia he can do the same thing against Saka, but looking at the level of Salah and Saka at that time, that's Salah a very good form. It is going to be very difficult for Arsenal. So Mbenya that kind of isolation for Saka, and even if he gets it, is it going to be simple for him to outplay Abrante and Nuno Mendes? It's going to be very difficult. And Thomas Partey, that's a Saka. So if Nuno Mendes is able to put the clips on him. No, oche Saka, Emma Saka mba game no more. Believe you me, put away the fact that Arsenal ebo ofie. Put away the fact that Arsenal ebo ofie. If this things happens, no menace any day, just like Onya against Salah. No, to me pukti Abrante and Saka in his pocket. Let's not forget anymore. No, Mikel Merino no Bema that kind of presence in the box no be out, and that's what be actually. Akwa share Thomas Partey place on him. Leandro Trossard besha honoma. Leandro Trossard is very good when you play the ball to his feet. And let's not forget, there's a certain William Pacho and Marquinhos or Monsu actually honoma. When it comes to being calm and knowing when to tackle for balls, or me are very very good at that. This particular season, it's very difficult for me for Arsenal if Senka Thomas Partey were honoma, it would have been a different ball game altogether. But in his absence, when a bit Mia that kind of work in the midfield for them, and then let's not forget Abrante William Saliba Nebe, the main player at the back. Jakub Kivio, Yahunsa were bought some games, and you met Miakoye Diamano. But would you be able to rely on him for so many games in such situations, Anna?
I think for the game against Real Madrid, Oprovui.
Oh yeah, Oprovui. It was because just like I showed you, players now on your boy, and they were not pressing hard. Vinicius Junior, Jakub Kivio could have could dimika could jinan the chiso or kakoje. Clearly Mbappe the same thing, but it's going to be different. Ousmane Dembele be press also obeje ball. Kivicha be press also obeje ball. Even the Zeri do and Bradley Bakola no be press also obeje ball. So it is going to be a different ball game altogether. And I feel say this year was definitely a year not Arsenal for the high hopes. But I am feeling just my gut feeling. And per what I've seen in this game, I think say Papa Efren Luis Enrique is going to get the tactics right because over every Arsenal obey here and there. But on the part of Bobuko from Arsenal, they are going to miss out on Gabriel Magalhaes. That kind of buta nature, that kind of a near deno, or me say out because Honoma obet me match up Ousmane Dembele in a way, not to shut him down, but obet me the same near deno, a bully Ousmane Dembele kaka, and he's not going to be there. William Saliba will try to stay as calm as possible because if you make any little mistake coming up against Ousmane Dembele, Desiree Doué, any Bradley Bakola, obet me a penalties, obet me a unnecessary fouls. And Obed tried to stay as calm as possible. But Jakub Kivio, is he going to be able to live up to the billing? And I feel, say, this is going to be the main question here. How is Arsenal, at their own home ground, going to be able to take the game out of Paris Saint-Germain? No matter game, na they are Mwankasa de say beya or may dictate the pace of the game to Paris Saint-Germain in the essence of Thomas Partey.
Okay.
And I feel, say, Paris, a better team, Papa, Arsenal. And I feel at the end of the day, Paris Saint-Germain. Okay. Slightly ahead, win or draw for PSG. I don't see Arsenal winning. Sorry to say.
Wow.
Meaning say a man for best so bet I don't see Arsenal winning the first leg. They are playing at home, but it's going to be difficult for Arsenal.
Okay, that is Prince. No. So we are talking about two teams like I indicated earlier. We are talking about two teams that are almost topple Liverpool, the very best in England this season, and then one also stopping Real Madrid. The most successful side in the history of this very competition, Arsenal and then PSG respectively. Many believe they play the same style because our press conference now, Luis Enrique coach, he made mention of it. As one says, we have a game in our hands tonight. Bro, Bremer, Flipo.
Bema, two teams in I bought the same style, 4-3-3. And so we're Paris Saint-Germain. The reason why I'm a Prince is because we're a bit ahead of Arsenal. And say there are a lot of press resistance in the Paris Saint-Germain team. What press you more yeah. Sir Ransford in fact what I sent him into screen so mommy. Na men de bi ha. Now Paris Saint-Germain per their training regimen now ahead of this game against Arsenal. This is how they will line up. In attack, they will line up with the best Georgian imports, Hivica Varaskilia. Now they will line up at the center with Ousmane Dembele. And on the left forward, they will line up with a young and enterprising Desire Due. And overboard the left wing forward. Now, in the middle, the usual three. Vitinha, that is Fabian Ruiz, and Yao Neves. Now, laterals, Omar Ombabo, Nuno Mendes, and Hakimi Achraf, and a William Pachone, a Brent for the Marquinhos. Now, goalkeeping department, they will not contemplate. It is Donnarumma, never starting. Now, this is what it is going to show us. Arsenal Football Club almost strength the partner say create space for Bukayo Saka so that when you 1v1 now, that is the strength of Bukayo Saka. So then William Pacho Nuno Mendes all the time will create overloads at that is the left wing back so that no bet the stebe the midfield the captain of Arsenal Martin Odegaard. Martin Odegaard no strength the partner say or a very good passer. But then no what heckle like a no one yadinsa. We heckle like a crabby, we heckle no with little bits of visa. You be in a few game no. Into no Fabian Ruiz na ebe policy apprentice friend that is Martin Odegaard. Omo mi anu nyina so mo adwuma nyina epe. Omo ta attributes and I say omo strength epe. Omo nyina good passes of the ball. And omo nyina field vision. They shoot when you least expect. That is Fabian Ruiz and Martin Odegaard. Now the next tactical battle and I say the players number ball at the base of the midfield. Now for Arsenal, Declan Rice be at the base. Declan Rice na be the cover to the back two of William Saliba and Jakub Kivior. Now in the same vein, Paris Saint-Germain, a brand new friend of Vitinha, na Obobo as the base of the midfield. Now we cover to William Pacho and Marquinhos. But then when Paris Saint-Germain are attacking, Nuno Mendes ever fly, but Hakimi Achraf will be more careful. Because he's coming up against on the pitch, player who pace pa on the who combine two teams, both Arsenal and Paris Saint-Germain. Player who pace pa Gabriel Martinelli. So no nya bo na Nigeria pa.
Onya Ousmane Dembele.
Onya Ousmane Dembele. Wow. Ya ka pace. Say yen to America. Enya bo no. Sa bo no na nya Martinelli na fe ni Ousmane Dembele. Ousmane Dembele sabio adwen da ne team na so chen Martinelli. But then say yen to America, yen for bo no to America. You need me a Gabriel Martinelli. Sankore game against Real Madrid at the Bernabeu, the return leg, shared by 2-1. Gabriel Martinelli thrive with pace. But then no, making sure say no, player be careful on Martinelli pa, be policy Martinelli, the Moroccan Hakimi Achraf. And say no, there is a key battle between Martinelli and Hakimi Achraf on the right wing forward. Now another one so here Desire Due. Desire Due be come direct at Miles Lewis Kelly. But one Miles Lewis Kelly Skelly watch here or a very good when he's going on the
that is key battles now.
Key battles on the major no. Say or kon enim bebre or a very good and will create a lot of space. Promising space as well. As you know be create spaces are ni attack is in betumi ahe. Ashe. And then what will happen to Arsenal is that, and then Arsenal may say any of their players from so we recognize number 9s in the team. And definitely they'll go with Leandro Trossard as the center. No, but what Brent friend Gabriel Martinelli now are flanking by Bukayo Saka. But Saka be thriving with 1v1. But 1v1 William Pacho no Mendes no man kwan sa in criticize space no. And medical ka so mu nyina no players no moment field no omo ya press resistance who press you omo a enye yie who press you omo a the more na wo be so omo questions no omo answer and never ma game we hiding pa game we I can tell you for a fact say 50-50 me matsena fia and I will never shy away from it me say maybe just maybe but I still believe say my favorite for the Champions League this season team Paris Saint-Germain. They are the team I made me throw mopa. And game now only Liverpool boy at the start that is Parc des Princes in France no. Liverpool were just lucky. So 1-0 na Liverpool konya at the Parc des Princes no. Liverpool were just lucky on the day. Paris Saint-Germain could have torn Liverpool apart. And Paris Saint-Germain say no coming into this game no. The omo bad spell. Omo last two games the results na nya papa sa. Into say no, they are coming into this game against Arsenal as wounded lions. I said Jata no da ho come de no. Na wonam busha we ni ndara we kweti Jata dudua so. O ya den no be. So they are coming into this game as wounded lions. Arsenal, omo attack here, they should be very careful. And they should be very careful, say, omo njo omo echi ho aja. Now guess what? One weakness me wonder about the Arsenal team, they say, Jacob Kivior, the first game no boy against Real Madrid who so pa. Return leg no so ya there. So Omen no did it 3 more. He will do so at his own peril. Because guess what? Ousmane Dembele Desiree and Vicha Varaskelia, there is that bond, telepathy and understanding, no? And when they are attacking, unim they are all passing, unim when they are shooting, and unim when on be track back. And then one strength of Paris Saint-Germain team, no. So in general, summarize here. In general, you know, me I see Paris Saint-Germain as even going into this game at the Emirates, you know, as even the favorites. Wow. And they will map up a strategy. So they Declan Rice in the frame. And now one player, a very missing piece player called Obobi and Keba Boasna pa our own Thomas Partey. Somebody will cover grounds very well for Team Arsenal. And Arsenal is a player. No? And it's Arsenal bought Mikel Merino or bought Martin Odegaard. Now I bought Declan Rice as the base. Meaning said Mikel Merino will be the ghost of the game. Oh no, a very good bono and them more. Say all your defensive duties. But who bought against Paris Saint-Germain? Bono on Sioma Mobi. Into the only thing is that when you're a player or you're gritty and gutsy, or but we need those 50-50 balls and battles. But then Arsenal is a player. No? You can't rely on Martin Odegaard for those key battles. So you can't rely on Mikel Merino. So Partey absence, you know, is another big blow for Team Arsenal.
When Arsenal met this same opponent of PSG, the league phase, Arsenal Shelmu.
That moment in Paris Saint-Germain, no omunya dey be a friend mojo. Na Paris enyo mojo. Paris enyo mojo. After once the Champions League,
was that the results and give Arsenal a psychological edge?
Because that time, you know, no Papa na friend Louis Enrique, no, I feel all coming the egos of the prima donnas. Players no mu say omo ye bigger, omo ye big, you know. Na feel no when we say say game crowd Dembele your number. Dembele and Emirates because that time, you know, Dembele was 1 minute late to training. Dembele was 1 minute late to training. So coach Nekasa, you are the face of the team, but won't be. So at the Emirates, you know, there was no that is Ousmane Dembele. And one of the teams at the group stage was struggle par teams near do this stage. The Akenyano, you struggle par Paris Saint-Germain. And Paris Saint-Germain find you more read them no latter part of this season.
Well.
And say you know, Paris Saint-Germain in their elements, you know, they are simply unplayable. Against Aston Villa, I say it's when they scored 2 goals earlier. Almost share 2 goals, you know. I say they thought said the job is done. And before they realize, you know, now Unai Emery outrun you by beating them by 3 goals to 2.
Okay.
Now Asia now Champions League so Asia. And I'm for a dream course. So the very best of Champions League in Asia. Saudi Arabia. There are 3 Saudi Arabian clubs at the semi-finals of the Champions League. There are 3 Saudi Arabian clubs at the semi-finals of the Champions League. Al Nassr, Al Ali, any team in front of Al Hilal. And when we players who won Champions League in Asia now, you have no idea. You watch now. I'll talk more about Champions League.
Yeah. Philip Nkumsa and Wate Nenka, I was, you know, who is winning tonight? Arsenal PSG. And for few of your messages, Wamra, welcome, I guess, but this is a different PSG team as compared to the last 7-month team. No coach today, okay, also Odia Ubusano. Joseph Eje Owusu Casemiro. And I eliminated your Abonkele Madrid to reach this far. Well, okay. Yebedin komo na yen twaso yebedin komo. But Maureen fi say bet influencer. Me no din komo catch us say yen no ye company ya basa ye beboa ama oso anye sika de buta enti a ye ba yi na no ye ba se ye bebuaw ama when ye cash so what I say enti ene no select matches ni bi ene ya Champions League no ye den abenye sika na ultra bet na 4% ebi wo ha ye de be ma wonim dada what I say enu achi no ye sanso aka che se ultra wo select o matches na ban se bia one game bi anase two games bi ye ikura na so ye ma sika o de ball ho to me edada ho kakra what nkomo ni na se nti betway bet influencer no ho nkomo ana ye nudi enede e wodwumedie so regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Bet the responsible way. Betway, get way more. Telecel Cash Limited. Telecel Cash Limited. From Penny Fossum Infantu and him say your secured and convenient air cash platform is still offering the lowest air charges ever. Even better, sending money from Telecel Cash to Telecel Cash is still free on Telecel Play app. And it's very simple. So send the simplest and the smartest way. I bet me aseni sika edia koma odofo, obe seni sika edia kwa koma unye bino aye Telecel. Yusu eno na friend send sika na nyoma enko ye mfama. Transaction bibia be very simple. Watu ade obe send sika kwa koma nipa na aye Telecel Cash Limited and as a Telecel Cash and you do and what dance ya dial *110# *110# or download the Telecel Play app today. Na send no keke. Ya ba se sie na eba bedin komo na openi bibia eboko de. Yakopo ada Roma.
Sa. Yede enchia emodden efri Gentleman Dental Clinic aso ye edema obi bia OT programming na no pay.
Okay.
Say afa na ode o TV no ato ha ana o radio no ato ha. De make kan say koso na etie program no san say ensem na ye kan ye ensem a ebeboa wo se no apomoden. You see these days no enkofo e focus on omo skin no omo outward look no but omo neglect omo num. And into na Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo Dani den na yeye oral education e de bo amanfo kirekire kwan a obefa so a osi ene wonuma pomuden no ebefa ne ntoma pa efra Gentleman Dental Clinic ye Kumase Bantama Abepo Junction Total Filling Station ho na Gentleman Dental Clinic ye wo na ya place your branches ni nyina across the country strategically enti was a wutie program no my phone no ene open paper no ready me the numbers no ebetudwa afesu so me the branches no so ebetudwa ba bi e ben wo no obetumi akọ Gentleman Dental Clinic, ye juma from anopa 8 o'clock at the copum and 6 o'clock. From Monday to Saturday, edajwada at the copum nememenda. Inti problem bia efa esin ho bia no. Ese se we hwe Gentleman Dental Clinic echa kwan na yetumi eboawo na oseno so efa na pomuden efra. Ye examination and consultation service e wo ho. Ye kan say e wo se enipa wan kasa wutumi tu anamon ekọ dentist wo say mabasa mo examine menum mo hwehwem problem bi e wo mu ana sansa enipa bebre wo esen problem but oma relax e nomlete wo make say obi hwe me otie me odidi a ote pain e wo ne sinimu o wesa ade a esen no e ne ya but ohwe mirror ma ohun hwe enye mirror asemo bra na yenye examination na yenhwe na yemfa procedure no ento so na o problem no
obi so say menum nsu enwu na gumesi ase a na tutume but
exactly
enye problem ya
sa eye problem san say Nyankopon se no wa monesa o say esen ye enipa animunyam esen egu anuma aya na efe se woni obi kasa na se osre na ne sen efa wo de ya hwe se de wukura wo si egi oni gi esema nipa no enti ansana esen no bibi sa ebeto no say obenya teeth sensitivity and a sharp pain udi chilled food say yogurt tea and I say chilled food bit say ice cream
sanyo man
ni nyina no ubon say ose no na efemfem obo okro no made a ehimpo a ana ade a acid ewo mu te say ebi a pineapple abrobe anka ni sanyo no ni nyina ma unya teeth sensitivity obo okro na dwen ye ne say allergy no enye allergy ansana esene betumi ama o response no na chese problem aba esinemu obi ho no na crack ati ese ni sinemu as a result of say o treating the sino to say tools or the tutu ensa or the vivi dompe
o ye ne sense opina no
exactly enti eba ne saa na ubon se na problem cracks na eba osinima etisi dentin ni mu na emma wo that reaction no because dentin ni de nkaya ede ball ne say osene wo problem enti kohu dentist na yemfanfa procedure mu yebema no agyae oba judgment dental clinic your numbers display or screen so betumi afa numbers no na wafrɛ anase wo hwɛ me ana wo tie me so already
for the benefit of obi otie radio no obi su kra ho tikem sam ro be sini ade
exactly
nti number no ho hia pa 0559
yes
139
yes
582
all right
0559 139 582 a number no hia esin ho asem de ne yesin ho asem ne kan simple sa no masa
enti se oba ye beye onum
obi akọ interview ya pamon nanum pampanti
exactly na when na befa obi a se bi halitosis kan ewo num dia betena na adwumam na omoni customers entungu isi de bia ka se wo anum kan yade a egu wani mas na wonye obi enso ema ne nka nkyerɛw na de ye ka ne se wo pese wo hu pampan a wo kasa enipa etia fantasio kakra ka won sa achi manframam kakra bi mfa so ne hu ahwe sa pampan na wote no eno na wo kasa gu nipa so a wote ne mom no aya edin se ubenya obi amanaka
kyerɛw
because enipa bi a wo de aduane fa wonum ekɔ yefunu mu de eye den a ubenya sa problem no san se debris na eka yesene so no afi so food particles ni bi ekohyehyɛ yesene ntem ho na epro ewo ho ena obi susu kra ho ne de ne cavities no echese ntokro bi aba bededa esene mu ntokro no bededa esene mu saa na odidi a aduane ni bi ekohyehyɛ ntokro no ma epro etitam bia wo kasa because a bacteria the more na ehye ho na epro no na epai na bacteria no breedi na omo doso etitam bia bacteria friend treponema denticola ono no ye responsible na afetam bia ema wo kasa no in fact na onu obi kasa se ne nsa ne nam ne hwene so ase osisi ni trust bia ese wo mu ani ba ho so ye smart ehun se pampan aba wonum egu nipa ni ma se oba judgment dental clinic ye be ye hu adwuma sanse halitosis yade a eye factors bebre na edeba ye systemic factor bia woni trim ana ne yam ana bi kra aduane a wadi bi te say garlic no money sadem no enta o bloodstream no and the up o lungs no o kasa abun se na pampan wo but 80% of halitosis eye oral factor e say wonanum ho e ho na problem no e fiber obo no ma ne tang ne so e ho na bacteria no ete obi hwe me obi tie me ukodidi na enam no kwohyehyɛ osim saa na wo de toothpick eyi enam na wo se pampan kankan bi ɛwɔ ho pampan ne wɔ hɔ dada wo ɛna nti wo saa sign na immediately judgment dental clinic na yenye cleaning emfama wo your friend is scaling and polishing
okay
sa procedure we say when to me kura every year say we 2 times from machine yes ekohuru wonum yiyi emufi aduane a yedidi ache enam a yawewe ache akogina yesene ntema bristles and toothbrush no entumi nyini mpie no sanye mani nyina ema pampan ankasa eba yenum emmoa ena eba sanso a obose with time no obose na depositi na eye tata na eye tata na chese tata ne de na chese hu se
asa ye yellowish bi ebi dia asa ye Ghana flag style
sa na ehye ho obi ehwe me obi etie me wo hu sa sign ni e wo nanum judgment dental clinic baby bia wo hwe me nim se Sompa de ekwa achi Accra your branches too e wo Accra your nungwa Mary station ho obetumi akoho soso
e won kran
na ye wo dome kwabenya atomic down roundabout no so pe judgment dental clinic your branch no bi soso e wo ho okọ Koforidua judgment ye ni central police station no na ebo ho epe okọ Takrade ye wo Banchiase Tadisco down former GN Bank wa e na judgment dental clinic ye wo okọ Techiman ye wo Magazine Road Mampusi Junction e na judgment dental clinic ye wo okọ Aflawo judgment ye ni Eco Bank na wo the same building Aflawo High Street na wo de call border na no pe no enti mo Volta region ni important mu nyina no obetumi akọ no mu na face so okọ Tamale so judgment ye wo Tushigu ye ne Central Post Office no na ehwe animu on se eba ne sa na ebehyehyɛ wo senem tema calculus no deposit of bacteria enti omu didi esenase na me ka say o hwɛ me on say ose no asiye ni nyina afonfon ana woni obi na no kasa na ne se ase no ase enam ni nyina afonfon efonfon a na ese ne titem te se akurase dan no in fact ɛyɛ na egu nipa
na kyerɛ sɛ
aseɛ no nyinaa hi ɛnyɛ adeɛ a ɛyɛ attractive na wo deɛ na start ne sɛ wan protect ana wan ba Gentleman Dental Clinic ama yɛ anhwɛ wɔ ne yɛ nsia no kwan a wo nso wo no betumi ayɛ saa ɛna meka sɛ ɛba ne saa nso a with time wo sɛ ɛsɛ no ayɛ mobile na ɛsɛ no na ɛtu ɛsɛ nso ɛtu a ɛma ne haw woba Gentleman Dental Clinic a yɛyɛ tooth replacement ɛwɔ hɔ a yɛbɛtumi ahyɛ wo se no ɛde ama wo kama na wo se no nso afa ne ntoma pa ɛde afra ɛsɛ no meka sɛ bi a astate kura na ɛkeka ɛntena hɔ ma ne ɛntu ansa wode ba Gentleman Dental Clinic a yɛbɛyɛ ho adwuma ɛde ama wo yɛwɔ mu ahodoɔ bebree a wobɛtumi ayɛ yɛwɔ denture no ɛwɔ hɔ yɛka denture na denture no ɛyɛ the removable one no ɛno deɛ yɛhyɛ a wankasa wotumi ɛyi na wode ato ne proto box mu wokɔ adwuma wokɔ ayie wokɔ nipa mu a na wahyɛ wadeɛ kama na yɛwɔ Vaplas no nso so ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna yɛwɔ PFM deɛ friend porcelain fused metal ɛno PFM bridge ne nyina woba Gentleman Dental Clinic a yɛyɛ ɛde ma wo na yɛwɔ dental implant nso so a ɛno so yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ɛse no tu hwehwɛ yɛkyerɛ kwan san sɛ ɛse play role bebree ɛse baako tu a na sɛ wotena hɔ a deɛ aka no bɛsa tutu san sɛ ɔn sɛ apa ne lower no ɛyɛ adwuma me ne wo ka sɛ obi didi obi winam ɛyɛ adwuma break it down aduane no ama digestion so atumi atake effect kama nanso pressure no kɔ ne nua no ɔwɔ nkyɛn because we no atu eti with time no bo sɛ ɛno nso ayɛ mobile obi a otie mi nim sɛ ne se no baako na di kan tu ye but enei
affected dodo na ɛwɔ ne nkyɛn nyinaa
saa eti bra na yɛnhyɛ deɛ ɛtu no ɛmfa ma ɛnyɛ saa ɛde problem kɛseɛ ɛde bɛbrɛw cavities ɛwɔ so ntokuro aba bɛde da osim deɛ frɛ ne kaka no ɛyɛ ade a ɛha nipa bebree last time any woman bi kasa ɔsɛ oh bra me sin ni nyinaa matena hɔ makaka asɛe ni nyinaa you see ɛmoa no deɛ sɛ wo gyegya ho a ɔmo bɛdidi ɛsene mu asɛe ɛsɛ no obi hɔ no motumi frɛ ɔsɛ mepɛ sɛ me ba na mutu ɛsene ma me ɛsɛ nyɛ sɛ yɛfiti ya na yɛtu gye sɛ yɛhwɛ ho a yɛyɛ ho bibia a ɛnyɛ ye bra na yɛmfele ntokuro no na aduane na akɔhyehyɛ mu no na pain na ɔso otene ni nyinaa entumi enyai sanse ɔn sɛ ɛsɛ no pop na ɛhyɛ inside no ɔn sɛ pop no ɛyɛ tissues ɛna contain blood ɛne nti sɛ ɛba no sɛ oral bacteria no edidi emu saa na mu didi tissues no mu saa bo sɛ na astart na ɛpro na egu inside ɛno na ma wuti pain ɛwɔ sinum ɛsin etumi kum nipa
okay
eti Gentleman Dental Clinic frɛ your number no wɔ 055 913
9582
055 913 9582 and after me was 0549 906 588 0549 906 588 esena ebu esena pai ahye awe aye kokko aye brown ese problem bi am sorry ya frame na ntwetwe nkomo edam ase pa
yenso yedase eno eye Gentleman Dental Clinic and ye no mudi nkomo enawie on Sompa TV again on Sompa FM and one so be free sin ho problem there uni how and one so free omo a on be how ni nyina so afiri ho e de ama me fa few of your messages na fi yen na yen to so na we say stubborn gangster stick and stay. Okay, dali share messages no ma show messages no ma na say me phone so I start be na me hwe na me okay. I say the two goalkeepers will be key tonight. Midfield players for both teams are technically good, but Arsenal is more physical with Declan Rice, Merino, Odegaard, but Partey is out. That will limit Kelly's joining the midfield in transition. Big blow for Arsenal as Partey out. Sharp attackers in all. I expect go over 1.5 Anna, okay, and scoring draw. Well, also what do you know? Joseph Ej Owusu Casemiro. Or say Mr. Philip is talking from pain. Whether you like it or not, Arsenal is winning over 2.5 today, and we are winning the Champions League. Danny Coleman, all the way from Kenya, say good morning, Powers. Watching you live from Kenya's number 2 Jericho. Keep up the good work. That's your message on Swadiaban. Watching you live from Abidjan. I love the full name of the players. Well, no coach today, medical offer some message, already. Okay. Yaba sisia na yaba betwaso. Orlando atrase enche domestic sports issues and so beba. Orlando bibia wakore.
How is?
Bibia fine.
Bibia okay.
Yere yanko panse. Yaba a very short commercial break. Yaba na chese local news so aba.
But nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Introducing Betway's Bet Influencer, a groundbreaking feature where you can make money by just sharing codes. He just needs to share his codes and make money. The more his codes are used, the more money he makes. Oh yes, so what are you waiting for? Anyone can be a bet influencer. Share your codes and make money. Bet Influencer, another world first from Betway.
This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. Betway, get way more.
If I shop, I'm sure you'll bag it.
Right, and not so good.
Now tell me about Michelle and see about Queen Wayne and say.
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and you're about the
really do this offending now.
Bra, and because me the time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn the time about Misha.
And you know, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What drawn the time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear one ma for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm walking say, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
Kayo said time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever be than Ziva a woman. Ever Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do a name. FDA Aji a judging crotway at home.
I was like, I can't be one made out to Nara, who's a woman said. I will flack it to 1 year, 2 years, I can die back. It's the African Spider-Man, I may have flack it to him when any problem here. Get the big cost for Nuti coming when you're already won't be. African Spider-Man, the baby say, Bob of Flame, but preoccupation who's African Jack, what Baby say, Bob of Flame, now secret to Grano, anything.
Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Now me yet to know how to form. And a police me do one dance at me say, many namin sonshare, namin soen, a boosted immune system. I'm a cemetery and mental bread. Meet me the come on. I'm going to come with home so across me class so metaya lay. I'm a my lattice latitude, me yabaco. And yet, Necoso.
Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going?
I'm a cratching.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture ewo pharmacy anase herbal shops apem for ene nkwala omundi fie dumienu enom FDA agigede ntatwe atu.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows, 'cause our grit be the future. Join Ghana Grows, this be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows, 'cause say you my day for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows, Ghana Grows.
Yomu, Pequia, we have first wing Yajuma, Anna, Atia Jumaqua, and for so was so, and walk Yajumum, any 80 vetimu and ya. Swana one, fastest and walk, Wabusia, and won't put a more assetable. But star 718 star 50 hash, not that Kaho says, yeah. Ghana grows. Day. Ghana Bros Jumedie, Mastercard Foundation, Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation, Limehouse, Niwa Buafone Debro.
Mamisha, time HH Heba Mr. Bina Unumi, and ya what dropa, a ya draw say, a manipedian quamuano and yahuating, na a quatia yare, and chain yare and san wakakoto, fire wardrobe. Nominal abribia can Noga Company Limited. What the time TIME Ebejasono. One noa and at the time HH Heba Mister at your bejasso. A crawling yan fisher dumienu and numbi. What pin for any of our macron for and so anumbi. Time HH Heba Mister. Who been your be over the counter medicine sellers. Any shop do na mu. So pedudo to a friend 0244 417669 0244 417669. Time HH Herbal Mixture. A yadro say FDA Adje Ejadian Kratue Atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3 variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Violet. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet saver.
Okay, Yama Ghana for Kwabana Yentua Jumedian so still live on Sompa 93.1, again on Sompa television. Orlando Atanase at the local issues Babe Somme in Sembebre Newufi. Ola
Powers.
Yankwe, Yeninkomo.
Powers Yan Sancho and Chia TF4 na Yemo Munina Aquaba Embra Sompa 93.1 and half so Sompa TV so and on full time. Fisem ena ebre aswa ejekum Blankson Junior obetimi afremi Orlando mede ensemne brown na ene no mamenka say Kumasi Asante Roko after game against Adriana Stars in the Ghana Premier League week 29 no ena Asante Roko resume training ahead of the Super Crasher Baso Sunday against House of Folk Accra Sports Stadium ene 2 p.m. Ewo Adakoja achi AJ hona Asante Roko recovery session no enso ebetimi akoso na ne Adriana Stars game no eba na we no yebusa Ashanti region circuit chairman Alex Menu says Sisiano after say ye pame coach Prosper Natogum no game on boy no ohun improvement ana.
Oh yes, once I said 4 matches no yen share yen winning that is an improvement over I mean the previous 4 matches na yabo. Nti me what is improvement yes. Improvement
okay, eno Alex Menu ena Edison 72 jaro. No. Sompa nye debia na ebeye mpanyimfo tobre bia enkwada ne nso esi yi omupie na ye ne omo nso didi nkomantie na interview no ba so na akwada weso akra we no afi no anya mfinhia eduba eko 11 years abrochimemu United States eho no wo na Kumasi Asante Kotoko game no obehebi no he no na ebusan say Aristotle na Ghana Premier League no amanfo say nya kono nya feo. And I say, don't judge a book by its cover. Come and see it yourself.
I would say that you can't judge a book by its cover. You must come and see for yourself before you can judge it. So, when me at first, I used to say, no, it's low, so I watch abroad Premier League. But when I came here, then I saw that my words or my statements were wrong. It was actually nice. The players are friendly. Like when I was talking to the number 17, he's friendly. He was chatting with me and he said, okay. So I will say that the
eno Aristotle akoda weso akra na ochem se ono kra enkane no na adwini nyina nsa Ghana ball ne nyefe na mom no obetena Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium Ghana Premier League game no hu say yes Ghana ye ball na efe pa ye players ne nso omo ye friendly nti owie no ne abrante friend Patrick Esiedumo didi nkoma na ye ne say Aristotle Ghana for coin to Ghana for na Omumra Stadium.
Oh, okay, I would say that come to the Baba Yara Sports Stadium and you enjoy yourself. It's not like you have, even the food here, they serve it well. I loved it. But still, come here, watch the football, enjoy yourself, and have fun.
And so Aristotle and some passports yanini coding koma or say there be Diane Cromoton was stadium no Diane Papa Pantia Mumra Stadium na monsomo Sunday yina yeshia Accra Sports Stadium na super crash no between us folk and Asante Kono and also Etimi Abaso na enche kra best 20 minutes ago and Mr. KTS Okreku president Edema Ghana Football Association on one kasani Facebook page or then some aqua could go or say it's time to move on. Not just say after saying here obey a second vice president Edema Kafuno na yes oja wafu zombie president post no and so at the 27th year onye eye wafu zombie president wa resign official post no and so emu no den sem kakra akogu ni Facebook page wa yen so ye boy Chediama was Sompa 93.1 na reference no anopa na me break it man say omo de abetu ja say ye de omo ka be say 21 matches enya de say ye tua omo ka referee Seja chairman e de betu ja say enye omo nsa na shekrata na say na mum no ensema wo krata dem de e no kretro do o say referee ne bre pa 1000 cedis ye say for kotemali ekodibo esafa brankran
na ushe stand is now China Premier already nearly 29 weeks like give it to 80%. Ebia I stand for correction in the sense that na your masha city but someone can there and they what are talking about hoods 29 matches no more to eater that 21 matches how much dog 25 match anyway or what your 16 I can 9 women's league 18 match or what you 8 I can 10 match FA Cup or what you have prelim getting in INTI when na ma say before one kwalanum before one kwalanum ya ma ma that nyen
eno rag chairman referee George Seja and the San 72 Jano and boy Chedama no we no or say referees no omo bre too much and pay for never see a cabebre be the free GFA okay, until Ransford mobile hair now, so on my pets video no and so at me at the Amaye.
Yankasi, referees no break. The referees are suffering. I'm not the Muchanista. Yankasi, we have not actually said anything, but we've actually engaged. Now you're talking about it. Until we need the Aquadine Minister of Sports, almost no one come over my and you know, with so many other issues that we cannot discuss on air. No, what they are so sensitive. Yes, you discussing in our air. So when I watch on, you mean group our choice anymore. We would have actually called them. No, we not them back. With the concern my commission and concern referee, not get that back.
Okay, Auntie, I know rap chairman George Seja and the San 72 referees in the Ebrenkwa Entina Ghana Premier League. Mumma mi dientia anano brekumi. Ye je penalty we no wan kasa be hu die ntia penalty yen ko brekum Ransford na ye hwe brekum Chelsea ene nations no penalty no we be hu die ntia referee be je ball we penalty yes Powers we video ni bio Ransford ko wachi na Powers hwe video ni bio ba bia penalty ni free buy no ball ni free kick ena ye gina ball na chi ti ya ball na keeper na chi ball no oje ball ni esa ball shot penalty yaje the referee say there brand ka hu bi pa na Powers me the senior interview na atwa so quick one GFA omni KGL omo contract no omo renew 2027 and beba na we 20 million Ghana cedis and omutua area ma the Ghana Football Association omo e sponsor the Black Stars of Ghana.
Orlando who say
20 million Ghana cedis.
20 million Ghana
cedis. Yes, KGL. Okay. Yes, enti Mr. Pew edin sem kakra tu ya.
Okay.
enso KGL omone the Ghana Football Association contractor omo renew enso hose on best sponsor the Black Stars of Ghana no ntino powers mami nyina we so na memfa afisem no ensi asede be ya interview kese pa no be so say akwada we so go na oro ne ho sa no na je say feeling ni great
pensupanom what I say esan se krum ha typhoid ni nyina no ensuom na efriba what I say nti ubenya nsu papa no ma nsu a obenom na sanso asaw yare no kangen drinking water kangen and na jik drinking water and only nsu asese no Ghana have a bia obewura for all events all programs serve yourself with the very best of water. Drink a mineral water. Don't want to try home mineral water, but there is no mineral water. But they are tested and approved. Kanje no. Kope bi sesi na wonum super. Obehun se super no esaya rekura. Kope bi sesi for all programs. Ugure baby kanje na. Cause they kanje na. En kasami pensu kasami pe kanje. Fresh sesi 0241 449191. Mo mutun so ton ni nyina mo kope no bi 0241 449191 kope bi ne moa na apomuden be bia so entumi nya kama yenu kuma na ebedin komo but bia wunya kwanya nhwe ne da so wunya kwanya hwe na wo se enye talent ketwa kora full package and it was no ma yenko TV no so na yen me yamma Ghana for enhwe akura na yen ne bedi nkomo no ansana mama na kwa abakura.
There's penalty area, as many as 6 of them. It's bent inside of a lot of this up. Oh my goodness. Is it in? It's a bit scrappy. But Ghana has the lead. Oh, a new hero is born. A new hero. It's Kassim. It's Kassim. Ghana gone down and they are back in front. Twice the strike in this particular half. And Uganda doom strike as the schoolboys. And you can see a lot of white set all over Uganda's penalty area, as many as 6 of them.
Okay. Akra we na tia Uganda former Uganda omu nyina su coach ni coach no bia omu so mutrase ne din ede Hakim Kassim ana yene ne bedin komo ene anope on Sompa TV and on Sompa FM. Hakim akwawa
boss nyamya do
bibia e woko de e de yankopon ase they say they we a star, I mean superstar. After rising from schools, baby do some pempens. We as they say, fans na writing. How are you managing it? Send a usisum, send a upia bonten crowd, Ghana, send a Ghana for Sifao.
Oh, they say the upia bon, me pia bonten crowd, no be any aje. It's a pempensua in Yanko Pond, my bedroom. Me pia bonten be a humia and yaja. Miss Meda Yanko pass.
Okay. And how are you managing it? Stardom enya de da form. Ada say, de ankofo bibria emra radi pe ebie wo mo so na mo start to mo page no. Managing it was a problem. How are you managing it?
Oh. They say the one ma enye easy. Say one ma no bia Akim no bia etren so say we na ko bosi we na ko esi. Is it the when I'm no many other open?
Yene Hakim Kassim Okesh. So Prince, there was some of the wow crowd from Okesh. Last year, right? Was the best player. Schools games na course, no. He won gold medal. In fact, super performance and all that nedi. What dream BB BB Bautrim say just 1 year. Now fee as a far you are taking the world by storm. Did you came to him about Trim Crassa? So within 1 year, Benya Quenya bonus team.
Oh, about me trim sir, he said. Me die swan is like me obiara be hu me Ghana phone na be hu me nti me de me wo na me je training me jiri se e de yankopon be hye ne won ni onyam nti na e bam trim pa
bono mpempenso ben na wo pese wo bobre no kodro I mean wo football no mu wo target we fan na wo pese wo bobo na ko se kodro
oh me pese me bobo ni through professional level na obia hu me wiase final na obia hu me na mbe boa me man so boom I mean me make history of Ghana football enum
pese o make history of Ghana football oh when you be jen so bobo your league bia na
oh mani be jen pa say my start to ball division 2 ni bi
okay
ama bijeje niema man of the match ni ade ti mani jen say akonya ne be banko ana Ghana Premier League teams be hu mi na ani be jen mo na obe ka say obe family dia oh mani jen
Ghana Hanum, do you have a preferred club and then Europe and so wo team bia wo bon pa wo so die say ubenya kwanya kwakwesi akan bi dia mo man
oh Ghana had the clubs ni bia me feel clubs bia obeba mo bia me feel say me bo ama na Europe so clubs are me feeling pa Arsenal and I'm person me ball
no what to ball ase to ball ase ti yenu Hakim Kasim na ye ne di enkomo no obi a onhwe wo da ye ka Hakim Kasima or ye what type of a player bia onhwe wo video krada o tie radio bia video kra e boy wanya kwanya nhwe wo ye what type of a player
oh me a striker ba ni mo ne dia be bia position bia me to my ball right wing left wing me to my side number 9 ha ti ni mo ne dia be bia me say both left and right ti be bia me 9 dia be bia maybe left no kwale obi a say me ball left and I say right omuntimi hu is a 9 dia be so ball ni mu bia no yensen kire ni
wow they be come born ni bia no yensen kire ni football no why dolly wan wo role model wan na wo hwe no bia obi hu a ase me hu ya me hu say prince wo ni mu role model wan
role model there me akula ni na ya ngasa isnia man asamojan
baby jet
ono na me hwe ne ball ba ne hard work ni seriousness no na ma me feeling ni panty ma hwe no pa na ma sua no ball ti ba bia isnia man baby jet o bia mchiano pa
say age ni say 15 na say wonya ndu kra is it was
this year na menya 14
this year na obenya 14 it is say no wo 13 kra afina woko 14 years and the ball no be boache na be boache at the national under 15 Ghana who ya then unya sa kwanya no how did you get that connection from school no unya then unya sa kwanya
oh jina mi team am about Top Care Football Academy and I management team ne coaches ne ayi ti eno hu na menya kwan e de ko national team ti bo am bo ne ya ahode am de e push ko hard and I mom so hu de wo memu and am so to me sa flame na team ko national team
until from the inter schools na unya kwanya na ubowura mu national team
inter school no ka na division 2 na me bono so
okay
so ka no o be hu me no na mo hu de ne pe wo me mu na talent e guta me na o to me sa flame o national team
okay me jiri say e obvious say asakura wo bobo wa Ghana ha de one of your dreams is to debut benya kwanya Boma Black Stars right
me dia so am say me share national team JC Black Stars na ma ball na ma so ma make history on my name dia so am
sa go na wo share no dia wa ro atade a ujubility eye go a me jiri say Ghana ha de obi odi agro na chi ana so pa agro no bia no forever obekai sa go we mrana wo bench what was going through your mind what was going through your mind
wo bench na to my win. He said a game before Uganda, yeah, semi-final. Yeah, my I'm qualified. Yes, Tina, am I a Ghana for na abafom? Ti, yeah, boy Uganda, and the say they be bia, you beat me na third place na say. Nti mo bench ne de na mpaya me baa no na nso mo me wo bench no so na me dwene wo mtirim say minute ba okra na ye de ma me a say me make Ghana proud na me she Ghana ni nyam.
Okay, Safin wechi we feed na to ye ne yenua Kasim na AD Nkomo Hakim Kasim and AD Nkomo the national under 15 of course we are on na shared that crucial goal against Uganda Ghana and Nigeria so by any money there. The goal was very crucial. After putting it at the back of the net, the celebration was too much. No Nigeria need to say?
Oh, no, Nigeria Moroso is near that form back and first half and second half you buy no which is near Kasa near break. Yes, you take canoa a can't be minister crana de beco a poor match no. And I'm catching them say me Ghana for energy. Nti me share go on there, no money at Jabros. No time raw talent, no money at Jabros.
How would you rate yourself?
Oh, me rating myself no be say 8 to 1. Say we are 10 or 8 over 10.
We rate you 8 over 10. Okay. That is great, right? Meba oyo coach and personal trainer agent and
team no administrator.
Oh, mu team administrator. Open your kwaba.
Yeah, ja.
So be able call there.
Nyanko pardon.
Me san ba Kasim one ma ba the final message. Kasim fan he.
The chene say
ananya no sport no.
Top Care Football Academy. And I'm Dr. Bismarck. Top Care Hospital. You made the offer to say a person of Ghana and cry. Into be academy no. Coach. You was scouting a people or my scout, you know. Into a true coach Prince. And I'm Akim about Top Care. But Obayans and more mono a quenim pa until by I swear on my. You on crabby baby, it's Akim so a good one. Ye train on my fine,
Top Care, you team in way.
You Tafo, you train what Tafo as we take park and so. But your camp no asinia. Minoka say you on crabby over be 50 or camper, any manager or my show, BBR. Until you Kumasi, I are based in Kumasi.
Academy, what type of academy? Does it have any connection with European club? Be saying is it Mobutaya and Kasaya nature players? Someone from send them.
Butayan say, send a medical cano, Dr. Bismarck. The Butayan and say, a young crown cry, once a Ghana more time to be guapa, but a waff one on Anna and wide in a crack into one fat no so. And I answer will be tired in a chair, was and crana. Or more talent in the air, you have one talent in a P. Into about you training crown for the national team any outside. And Timinoka say your class be on my no more Sawaswa. In the near future now, some who say top K players be Ashata, we are seeing a man in your mama. Because penny form with the media anymore. Money abre, say, and cranny, you train your more. Now I have one more Dutch, you know, I will pay and cheat. Oba your club be one more free under U13 and U15 current and your division. By a division, yeah, the U13, U15 and able division. Division 2 and the one of her. I think say any team now you were the youngest team. And so Hakim 13 years now at this stage or bought division 2. No J5, 6 MVPs are never so to say you might get to a need on more. And see your U13, U15, and division 2 no ever.
Okay. Mr. Pia, administrator at the Top Care Football Academy. Hona Inya Kasim Akrai esi nakan. Back to Kasim. Say on sana mi kabi say we star na sa. Ghana say Ghana baby a obefa bia no. Obi odi game na chi bia no. Ehunu. Dia no be catch Ghana for.
Oh, dia be catch Ghana for ne say me do obi bia ase. Ene emwa omode aboa me ne supporter omode support me. Me do obi bia ase. Say omun sam support na omode support me no. Omun ko so an support. Na ememe mo mani mu ngo ase da. De ebe yama Ghana football no akwa ni biara ebe
obi ama message bi na o se me musa o se eya na e den wan ka so free
oh me free swama ya
u free swama ya so u parenting na was swama ya so how are you combining football and school how difficult na ye
school ne de me ko na me sa abo football no so count ti me ko school na me bo football ti e bia
so we kwa ball be ba wa bre ni ade no is the football not a challenge to your education?
I challenge man kula is me ball no me ble kula a minute be within 15 minutes then na sa recover nti me the yan say my ball no ma we na me ko school ma me ko sua ade me pon ama be training sa
Mr. Pia na asanka o kan bibi
the thing is academy one won say football academy there nyabo no kwa I was say open kwan so dache nti e o say no ye nkra ni nyina no obi no ma omomo camp no otena fi omomo secondary school omomo primary ni nyina no e do mo make sure say omo school there omoko nti combined education ni football there say academy no yakoma so busade pa yento tena ase nti nkro mo ya so nyina obi no ma sebe oboba kan na ebo no ne se akobofo adwuma be na ebo no ai serious business na business no so wo yen so a so make sure say akwanda ache no o mobo no nwie na sebe anko ni a obeka kwam nti omo school 7 dey ehia pa me no ka say akra bi o e camp bi akọ school after school time no break pa e wo team bus na convey omo do ba training park trainings grounds one more after training next had ko camp into school 7 there me uni say challenge mo kra
we yeda na munya no say na me bisa similar question and because obi person be join top care academy na kan be no be fast well
e kwan fast well nya akim no true scouting medical ka say your coach champion prince and I'm not quite akim ebedi yaswe but ye be a plan obi akra bia office or talent no abeni bia ya na ye justify and I say ye nya justify kra na say wawofo wo ye wofo na pese oba bobo nko a obetime da ba yaswe ye ba na say coaches na say next why ade nko ade a ye fa no so wo kuma ase so wo achichiri ye fa wo na ye do abetan ye camp no mo na ya boawo obeko school o sa bobo no nti ya pon de abie kumase tafo ne wo ti wa wai adwen se oba pese obobo na obobo ni yi no na opese ohu the next akim e wo TV so dia akonya nda ho ma
akim ye no mu awie but ansana ebeja o ma we akona na se wa asem bi tweto a woni Ghana for beche no meni akura bi di nkomo ana se onim the family o mu free ebusuan e mo den ono ne die so pa ne se obebobo na nyiska na watoka ma o maame ono ne die so ni nyina no sense o maame abre no ho pa. What is your vision?
Vision is no bobo no nyiska ni bisa na maame de me busuan fo ne obia de me mo obia ntina Ghana ase se minyeska
Omo bushina for no be antena Ghana. Ade.
Like on me tu kwan no masaba. So no ma kofi.
Ghana den.
Ghana nya den ba. Nze kakrankra no bi ai. Ti me de ma me de e den a me toka asa ache.
Mo ye nu afo say.
Therefore
mema say
Ngwana me bema.
Nkwana ye bema. Papa na papa ni ball ba na obi we ka se pele de na papa mba ne mabusua no ball form.
Acha ball for you blue.
Apa obi bodu say.
Ibi mu boko machi.
Okay. Omboko machi. Okay. Okay. Eno ye yenua Hakim eno no. Hakim wo asem bi atwa to a obeka kire Ghana fo bi a wo nua no mo bi wo namfofo bi etie wa de na obeka kire wo mo.
Meda Ghana pinfo na especially Ghana a coach national team a coach. Me dom na say coach Aprepon, coach Mubarak ene omo technical team ni na domase na coach dan so kan do bibia se ne akonya omo de amame na me so mashu bibi me dom na me da top care football academy so ase say Gidi omunya omemu omo ma me konya ma me ba team nim me do bia ase na the make culture to cry school ameko ukes me da ukes headmaster na ase say enyo no a cause I'm in mini school nim team da headmaster na ase ene sports masters ni na ko George biche mo obia me do bia ase ene akonya ene Gidi omo do bia ase ene Ghana phone na
Mr. Pia.
Yes, sir.
Ye jamu mako.
Yes, sir.
Yentio. Asema ujatu na India mama.
Wode asida kese am de be ma top care management en kan Dr. Bismarck ahin. Wo bosta timpo tikese so daipa. Gidi ene adwuma power fact no so. E dan se obo ankra no. Na onkoswa na nyame enma na hode no ntimi enhwe nkra no na botaye opese nkra no ode team no edu no nyame ma na sa hode no ntimi endu afi so meda ye technical head coach Utia Kenten ye de na se baby obi a na coach Prince baby obi nyame hia oni dwuma pa obo top care the entire staff e do munya ase afi so me fa konya we so abia to wa opese obabo food bobo fane bra top care na eni pa homa omo me daga na fo nya so ase afen so me da obibia oti na ohwe so ase
yes da master pass mobile empire bonus in the bare 5 years time no na feed nka wura mu black stars cry Sir Prince.
Yeah.
Where there so we kuma
formal school. Me alma mater. I don't know. I know who be say alma mater no aduane na so ye. Me formal school you okay. And said you wouldn't me from way back no. Sana meti and most of the time so say I'm me someone I talk about the youth level a lot. Because in every country and I say in every nation I won't say omo football develop it to the highest level no almost shall say free the grounds the root level baby Hakim we honum say ofa no at this time na say otete na obey accustomed to how your football system ni sitie and onyini no onim say there is some dedication be as or ye the more mind because he was nobody and on mine no Abuano, there's a system he has gone through, and through that system, no, Obey Minkan say dedicated to help the nation. Okasa no make a statement, because say the whole Ghana has said no, only club be a yes, be a club win up, the Obey be a open. And a very, very good statement. The reason being said, once in Ghana here, maybe to Obianim say team win more, Oka outside Obianim say team win more. But most of the times, Ayana, there were some players beer, they will need some kind of upliftment from a certain level be and yes of 15 years no could do so you need not to be going to the bigger clubs no just in these early stages because your baby which means you go through a right process be a bema football development require kama and making this statement it tells you say he knows what he wants and I think say this Minka say this things na also with especially the tournament na Barcelona and sayano just like we keep saying openyi Ghana talent ni bi wa o serious talent ni bi wa ha but akwa say eya na minim se maka ne writer yeto na sauram say to see a Janice obi anya do opibia into where always you be through the top level the senior national team the Blasters your clubs na wa say no where the Ghana Premier League obi timi catch us so kwa stadium ko nim player na boy for kwa akọ all because of these things we don't have the basic air training na yeah the process be at one say as a player as a young boy and as a young player you need to go through this process nti unyini no na the footballing basics ni na unim dada unim say we na we ya ebeboa at this point in time you be well mannered and well coached say beya whenever you are out there plying your trade ebema bibia ko ye de amount and I think say these players no penyinye Hakim Nkoa there are a lot of very good young chaps or muwoma these are the players SM penyimfo ma mani ko ho and especially we man society how omuti bi ball mu games ni come on the talent is there and I think say all that we need and say ebema these young boys no ombe feel say there's something better ahead of them and they should keep fighting for their dreams because Hakim Tiena say we buy na ade beche be 1 week 2 months 1 year bi na afa there on hu de ekobiem na ordinary pempema come on ebema na ne talent ni ne dream e wo na ne tu na beje egu nti ebedu ba bi no bon say enne ya ete aye interview no 5 years time to come be 10 years time to come no obi akwa video we dey abasa na say boy bi kura sometime ago mo kai say okoye interview or Sompa na e friend Hakim ono kwa wo ne ball na yira no a very good talented player but waira we shouldn't be seeing these things a typical example under 24 Mokoje World Cup in 2009 a big typical example look at the boys Dominic Diamorans for the say all these great names ni na wo honom no others no e make sure some be make good names out of the players omunyai but here they net say some few ones in a team in break it through the day you money that's very true but omuna no penny hu baby efa yes you hu baby efa nti sinya such precious jewel say said the EC cast talent ya yira wo yekrom a say among for we feel this talent
managing the talent is also one of the biggest problem in this country.
That's very true.
Talent and there sometimes tapping the talents we scouts are much mu kruma talents no so bebiri wa omuntumi entumi nyasa talent no and of course the few ones no scra na mutumi tap on kra no managing the talent
entina make say there isn't any laid out plan bia no nti openye mba nso omenya Hakim say no omo be bo omo ankasa botom ne omo ne omo betimi omo be ye de abo na betie mfa ne say ekodu ba bi omo apema omo be ne den so Hakim talent be go waste na that is why I always preach about having a proper laid out plan. Hakim nanka by this time ke be a national under 15 bi waka join no oshem ne etete omo ndru under 18 nkodu under 20 hodom no na chese ne mu amia onim bibia so I think say these are the things I am penyin for omo hwe na omo ti
Mate Sir Prince nyame ya doma chi na ye de we be update bi a menya fa Orlando story na be yen sisia referees ne de na so almost say omunim ba bia omo that group almost say concern referees say you know almost omo na tire
na say first one aba ye ni krom ha na first one ba o come on on be distance come on that Paris in me bi ono man very obvious
echina yankopon ya doma ye be wura mu ye ye de onkomo o man o si ya ne tire message o si ya ne
e ba bon tin so no mo
o si ya ne tire
ni fa bi ni ase
mintumi mboni dinta
obi cheche won segu echi mebo Paris obi cheche won segu echi the thing has come out instead of standing firm but so entire na say na Paris I think so the nyame had much
well we big with a mega cash lucky box on Sompa say no simplest way to make money. Baza, pebi. Win big with a mega cash lucky box on Sompa. Simple. Are you ready, sir? Ubenya ankasa ube better life. The simplest way. Mega cash lucky box. Giving you the chance to win cash prize up to 500,000 Ghana cedis instantly. Now, send it here. Dale *426*, then 6# on your phone. Select one lucky box out of the 6 exciting options, we select you, then you impute the